gotta start. Oh, shoot, I forgot the time. Well, whatever it's called. Yeah, I'll be back, guys. Okay. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maddie, and today I am doing another video. Duh. So as you guys can tell by the title, today I'm going to be doing fixing slime, I think part 3. But anyways, because I like fixing slime and I like doing videos, so like, yeah. Why is my okay, there we go. So I'm gonna be fixing this slime and this slime. So I wish I was recording that, but I also wish not, because that's actually, I wish I was recording so I could see what happened. So this slime right here, I was putting so much water in it, hot water, and you're not gonna believe what happened. It was so sticky that it got all over my hands. I couldn't take it off, and it was all over this hand. And I had to get activator, which is Tide, to clean it off my hand. And then it just went up to gloops, like chunky, like pieces. And then I finally got off my hands. I'm like, oh, thank God. So I was really lucky. So yeah, I'm gonna let my dogs out because it's kind of interrupting my video. So yeah, you guys can just see me there. Right back. Get it, go! What the freak was that? What was I doing? What? What the freak? Oh, teddy bear. I freaked over a freaking teddy bear. It's a teddy bear.
Let's just say you don't have the best track record doing what you say.
So, anyways, guys, so if you want to get shout out in my next video, all you have to do is like all my videos, comment something really nice, and turn your notifications on and subscribe and do all that kinds of stuff. And then if I like it, that means you get shouted out in my next video. So if I forget, I'm really sorry. Then I'll shout out in my next video. So I'm really sorry about that. And anyways, guys, if you heard anything in the background, I'm really sorry about that. And please subscribe, turn notifications on so you hear my videos every single day. And please subscribe and please click the thumbs up button. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get started fixing my slime. So let's get started. Wait, we're gonna fix my slime. So let's get started. Which is a part 3 or 2. So let's get started. Okay, guys, I was thinking if I did a part 2 because I don't even know. Okay, whatever. So all I need is the hot water in a cup that has a hole in it, and then will leak out. But so I did have a lollipop at school today, so yeah. So this slime gets really sticky, but then if I leave this one out, it gets really hard, really fast. I'm just kidding, guys. So first I'm gonna fix this one, and this time I'm not gonna get myself stuck into that again. because, yeah, I don't want that big of that mess. Wow, this is sticking to me. I'm having like so much bad luck today. It's just that I'm just gonna sit out and do this one. Oh, I think I put too much in. And now I'm gonna get all sticky again. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? I'm just gonna clean my messy up thingy. Not mess up because it's kind of a mess up in here. Oh jeez, that's sticky. Jesus. Keep mixing this and mixing and mixing and mixing and mixing. Okay, it's not that bad. I think I'm just gonna add a little bit more water, not a lot of the time, because this is actually really crunchy and like really like poppy. I don't know if that's how you say it, but my parents should be home soon. See that? Roll it up, poke a big hole in it, and then you blow. Like, I don't know. But today definitely feels like a Friday, but it's a Monday. And I can't wait. Next Thursday, my birthday. And then next Friday, it's gonna be, I'm leaving to the mountains. And then I'm coming back. So don't worry, guys, if you guys go to my school. But don't be asking what kind of school you go to, because if I tell you that, you're a creep. You're a stalker or a creep, and I don't like that. So yeah, you just got roasted. I freaking hate them. Don't you guys hate stalkers? Like, they be watching you every day. Like, who does that? Actually, keep me out a little bit, but I'm just gonna scare them. Girl, I'm fine. Or boy. Oops. Boy. Who'll be doing that? Like, just kidding, guys. I don't even want to map right now. I'm actually like really bored, but guys, warning, I'm very cringy. I want to say that because I like roasting people, and well, yeah, duh. But not to be rude though, it's nice, but like just roasting. But in the comments down below, if you guys be like, Jesus, that's cringy, then don't watch my video and watch my full video, and you know that I'm gonna say warning, cringy. So watch the whole video, and if you say that in the comments, then you're gonna be like, and I'm gonna be like, you didn't watch the whole video. So watch the whole video and you hear something that's familiar of cringy. Like, that's roasted. You guys don't know what roast means? Like, can people say that's not roasting? You don't know what roasting means, like, seriously. But don't hate on me. Cause you know you're gonna get roasted by me. So like, yeah. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. She's telling the truth. Why do you want to tell her?
Well, I should get a lead on your story, but I really don't know. I didn't find them.
You obviously know something.
Place me in protective custody.
Oh my god.
And keep me as far away from this story as possible. I got this going on fine.
I have to insist on sending an agent to escort you to your destination. Once you're given the black I can send you.
Okay.
No way now. It's okay. I got it.
You thirsty? Can I get you something to eat?
I don't know where my mom is. She should be home right now, but or my dad. But
To you.
or my mom.
Okay, I can tell. There's something in your mood. Are you still pissed at me because I followed you?
No, I was just curious about something I read in your notes.
Oh, they're home. Oh God, I don't know.
You're doing this story.
Oh no.
Contractor, you know, said you needed some inside info. So it was like, invite you to a Christmas brunch.
Tipsters.
That's not cool.
Well, you can.
Tipsters.
I haven't seen you because we haven't spoken since the
Guys. Alright guys, if you guys comment what sisters mean, then I'll like the video and I'll get a shout out. So 5, 4, 3, 2,
Dogs outside?
1, 0. Yes.
Did you hear Jackson shooting up stuff?
No. How do you know?
Let's go! Jackson! Down.
Do you remember me telling you about Agent Mimoso? He's gonna help take us to Grandma's. Agent Mimoso, this is Fred. And his nanny Tina. So Tina,
Where's your car?
no.
What happened to her car? What happened to her car?
Moms.
No, but seriously. What happened? Sissy!
What?
Where's your car? Oh,
Do you want to look for your sneakers tonight or another night?
Magic stuff.
tonight.
Well, it depends actually what time I get my car.
Time do you get your car? What time do you get your car?
They said like an hour. So you have to go with us to go pick it up. Why are your lips bleeding?
Because I had a lollipop.
You said she's gonna have to come with us to go pick it up.
Yeah, if she wants her food.
You better got me Taco Bell.
No.
You rude. Yeah, Brad, you lied.
How did I lie, Maddie?
You said you're getting Taco Bell.
Yeah, if you came with me. I'm not stopping and I don't even want to talk to you because your mouth is burning.
Rick, more spicy?
A little bit, yeah.
Mom's home.
Created entirely by nature. It's the best water
I need you in trouble.
because
Does Mom even know? Does Mom know?
by man. It's
What?
the
Mom
most
know what?
finest water.
What your car getting? Is your car getting? Yeah, right. I'm rolling. Hi, Mommy.
Dad's gotta go to practice.
Oh, get ready. You're going to practice. Mommy, can I go to his practice
Yes, it does. Why would you want to go?
so I can play basketball?
Well, you're not going to be able to because there's going to be a different bunch of teams practicing.
Keeps getting better. Okay, guys, so this is going to end any minute now. So I'm just gonna keep it on for the longest time and hope and see what it will stay on to. So bye guys, thanks for watching. Give it a big thumbs up and comment down below something really nice, and I'll give you a shout out. And well, I already did it in the beginning. There's a whole other story for that. And subscribe and turn on notifications so you never day. So yeah. So I'm not gonna leave it on until it ends to see what it stays till, so I know like when it will end. But I don't want this video to be too long. So bye guys.